Is your GT350 Voodoo engine a little light on power? Do you want an additional 300 horsepower at the press of a button? Then you need this GT350 5.2 liter plate system from Nitrous Express. The Nitrous Express plate system for the 5.2 liter Mustang GT350 features our Spraybarless technology for the ultimate in atomization and distribution. The billet plate bolts between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick, easy, and attractive. This system comes complete with our billet aluminum and carbon fiber Lightning Series solenoids, a TPS Autolearn switch so that the nitrous only activates at wide open throttle and turns off when you let your foot off the accelerator, a fuel rail adapter so that there is no need to splice into your factory fuel lines, jetting from 50 to 300 horsepower, braided stainless lines, as well as every nut, bolt, and electrical connector needed to complete the installation. Our NX Lightning Series solenoids feature CNC machined billet aluminum bodies topped with carbon fiber cans for the ultimate in weight savings, performance, and looks. The solenoid bases offer an improved flow path that eliminates sharp turns and expansion areas in the nitrous flow path, keeping the nitrous in dense liquid form, making more power while utilizing less nitrous. If you purchase your system with the bottle, we include the billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, it is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old style brass valves. If you're ready to add a little witchcraft to your GT350, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.